chitava tikupasirani zimene wayankhula Honorable Kamlepo Kalua makamaka kudandaula kuti akumuzunza pakuti foni yake sanamubwezerere komanso zoyipa kapena kuti zoopseza zina zimene zikumuchitikira. Kamlepo Kalua wafotokoza motere mu audio yake imene anatulutsa pa 14 August 2024. Tamvera.
Ndabweranso lero choyamba ndiwafunire mafuno abwino amene anasankhidwa ku convention ya MCPO kuti congratulations. Chachiwiri ndinene pano kuti telefoni yanga mpaka lero ndi pa 14 August, June, July, August. Nene ukapena papita 2 months on some days telefoni yanga sakupereka. Ndamvanso kuti ndili amoza anthu amene ndikufuna kuti ndiphedwe malinga ndi discussions yawo imene anali naye atawina convention. Hayi, ine sindena zambiri, sindiopsesa munthu aliyense. Ine ndilirede kufa kuti magazi anga apite ngati akutiraso nsembe ya chilima, kuti iwo azadye bwino kusogoloko, azapeze bwino kusogoloko, azakhale ma president kusogoloko, family zawo zanjoye kusogoloko. Hayi, sindinena zambiri, koma ndikunena kuti kaya mundisogoza, kamusogoza family yanga, muzatipeza kumandako. Kumanda kulibe mpanda. Kaya mzadya bwino bwanji mzazisiya chuma chonse, manyumba azo mzazisiya. Nyumba zizaora, muzakhala muli zinthu zambiri, makhoso adya sina chilichonse. Chwa mtundu wanu wonse uzatha. Wonse uzatha, palibe amene azasarayi. Kuti kapena yeyo ndo amene azachita chumacho. Hayi, ndalama zambiri zasokonekera kumabanki. Mene pakali pano ndalama za Dr. Banda zikusokonekera kumabanki. Ndeno ndizimene ndikuona kuti ndaona kale kuti ndalama zanu zimene mabisa zonsezo zasokonekera, pazakha palibe amene azadya ndalamazo chifukwa pazakha chimpwirikiti. Ndipo simzafa nsangayi, koma muzafa mukuvutika kwambiri, mutaora pamene mzamba kufa sopano. Koma palibe chimene ndalama izathandiza. Palma examples ambiri ena siningathe kunena pano. Amene anandipangirapo chipongwe, kufa kwawo kunali kozunzidwa, kufa kwawo kunali kwa chisoni kwambiri, ndalama zonse zinasokonekera. Ena mende unena pano siningathe kunena zambiri. Pachimpwirikiti. So yeah, ine ndimakhala kuchileka mapolisi maziwapo panyo patatumizana nyamata wazandiphe. Azandiphe ndi tatumizana maino inspector general tatumizana nyamata azandiphe chifukwa kuti inu muzadye bwino kumchinjiko, muzachite bwino retire, muzakhale muli pabwino, mukudya bwino, koma ndalamazo simuzapita nazo. Chifukwa ndamva kuti pala nyamata ine ndili mmodzi mwa anthu ofuna kuphedwa mtambo. Ine mwana Boni Kalindo akutero, kawina ndi ndani, ndene zoopseza. Ayi, sindikopezana, koma mzandipeza ndithu kumandako. Mobwera nonse mzandipeza. Ujeni kuora kulibe nthawi. Tonse tikaulera limodzi. No matter how long you might stay, but you'll find me there. Koma ineyo munibwezere telefoni yangayo. China chakuti, you want to kill me because you suspect something, kuti ineyo ndamene ndimapanga, so be it. And I'm not worried. So be it. I repeat, I'm not worried. Poso tundu ufuna mafuna bwino pondipapo. Ufuna nza bwino kwambiri. Mutiso Mpaka ya Bakili Mluzi TV. kaya ndi ndani uyu Chimpopo nkhanga zaona ayi pamndandanda panopo ine mundiwike poyamba mukandifuna kuti mundiphe kani mawa mundiuze ndikayima pena pake kuti mukandiombere pamenepo ya mene anafera gadama adiki Mathenje Twaibu Sangala David Chiwanda anafa ifa yozuzidwa kwambiri koma bwino wake wose amene anapanga zimene zambiri kulibe kwasala awiri enawo pano pakuvutika kwambiri koma ambiri osaja anali pamene pacha makamaka aja makhoma misomaranja osaja anapita ndipo nthawi zina ndimayenda kumanyumba kwawo deliberate just passing through palibe ndi aliyense anasala pamuzi nyumba zinagwa ena nyumba nkaikutane pa chimpwirikiti kwambiri ndoso zimumfesa chisoni panopo osanatha amene anapanga zimene za kwa Gadama kwa Mathenje kwa Twaibu Sangala ndi kwa David Chiwanda zimumfesa chisoni kwambiri chifukwa ndikwaziwa chinafeza osaja anapita chinakalembera anapita osaja ndeno ndikuziwa zambiri kwa basi apaso ndaonanso amene atanipange chipongwe date imene azaferaro siku limene azafera imene azalirira imene azalowera m'manda zonsezo ndaziona kale ndiye mundiuze amene mmakonza chiwembo chokuti mufuna mundipezere pati ndikuuze ndikuti ndikayima pakuti siku lakuti ndinakhala dala chete chifukwa ine sinakwepo china chilichonse ndiponso ndimakufunani zabwino kwambiri ino chifukwa chipanicho ine ndichakwamba tinavutika nacho kwambiri tinafuna kuphedwa chifukwa chochita maintain MCP where it is today. My colleague Chakwamba is late. I'm still there, and if you feel that I should not leave, let it be, and I'm ready for that. Very, very much ready for that. Kama ndofuna telefoni yanga mundipase telefoni yanga. Kwa telefoni nagula ndeka. It was my fault. If that telephone was used to abuse government entities, to abuse government structure, then it's not worth having it. But I never did that. You simply just go to my phone. My bed did not abuse government structure. My furniture did not abuse government structure. Or what you did at home did not abuse any government structure. But you saw it fit to do that. And without me expecting it. But now I'm expecting any eventuality that might come along, as I'm one of the shortlisted ones to be eliminated before 2025 general elections. So I'm ready, because when you are warned, fully armed is fully armed. So I will not even belabor myself trying to say I should protect myself. No. I will not waste that time. I'm just ready for you people to come and kill me, so that you continue with your positions. You continue with maphando amene mkudiawo ndoma zimene mwatenga zolemeranso ana anu aziphunzira sukulu ndithu mwayemba kwatumiza masukulu abwino yasidyani ndithu mwererani demwerani mudemweri chomene demwerani chomene mulye eat a lot, steal a lot, have a lot of money, have a lot of money, and that money you take with you to Commander. You'll have it in box manomo, in your coffins, as a quick run get mapiro, for you to actually sort of die with money, as you came up with money, as you were born with money, so too you'll go with your money. You'll be buried with money, and money will be part of your furniture and your clothes in the graveyard. So anyway, keep on enjoying. Kumundwezere telefoni yangayo. Ndikuifuna telefoni yangayo. About the planning of rigging elections, I don't mind if you rig. I don't mind, keep on rigging. Whether you come to my constituency, rig it. so that mukaenjoya kwambiri parliament, mukakhale mukuenjoya kwambiri. Ya mzikamasuka kwambiri kuseka ndithu kudya vimasausage kumene kuja mukadye, mzikamwa mazi kawiri katatu kuti at least muzipeza bwino mmimba mwanomo. Chifukwa mmimba mwanomo ndimene muli zonse, andi mitu mwanomo ndimene muli maganizo ofuna kuphera anthu. Do it, but I need my phone. Yeah, it's 2 months and some days that you're still keeping my phone, and I don't know how you want me to communicate. If that is your intention of depriving me from communicating to my relatives and my colleagues, Malemba Mazi, because I never provoked anybody. You did. Once again, I'm not saying I'm provoking somebody or I'll waste my time. I'll not do that. No matter how long you're going to stay, mukupita ndino manda kale mene mkuendera ndino ora. Hey, as long as you go to toilet, ukatrusa zinthu zachabe zija, ndi muziwa kuti the way how they smell those things is the way how you are. Yes, so I don't care whether they want to kill me today, tomorrow, next week, anytime. I'm ready. I'm ready for that. I'm ready. I should repeat this. I'm ready because I never did anything bad to anybody. I never said anything bad to anybody. But if that is what you plan because you feel threatened with my presence on earth, oh, do it quickly. Do it now. The sooner I do it, the better. Saulos was there. He did not plan his death. Though people were telling him that be careful. I happened to be one of the people that had visited him one of the days. You may ask Salam Bolaila and others. I said, I want to see him, and I went to see him. The question that I did ask him, how safe are you? And he responded, he said, nobody is safe on earth. Only it's only God that knows how safe an individual is. That's what he said. And I should say, no matter what I do, no matter ndipita kaya kuti kwanena kuti futi sisalowe or chani, I one day die. So why waste my time? Why waste all the resources that I may leave it to the few, I may leave it to my family, those who are not targeted with MCP government to be killed. At least to relieve them a little bit of it, so that at least they keep on their lives, go on with their lives. Yeah, as God wanted them to lead their lives. Koma inuyo, I'm ready. I'm not going to issue any threat to you. No, I'm not going to say kuti no, I know what I'm doing. Yeah, so Sunday, I need my telephone. I know you find solace and promotion and my madiam nyumba mwanomo chwacha kuti telephone yanga, you are keeping it. You eat well, you travel well, mafuta sakuvutani. Koma remember one thing, no matter how long you think you'll be there, one day you'll be out of that chair. In that chair, there are so many inspector generals of police, so many of them, but they're no longer there. In that chair, so many people planned evils against the certain people. Koma, that now is gone. On that chair and in that position, many people did so many things, wronged people, but they're no longer there. On that chair and in that chair and in that office and that position, they thought so many things. They thought of so many things. They planned so many evil things, some of them better things, but they're no longer there. So, you're not forever. Dr. Banda called himself life president. He's no longer there. Why I keep on mentioning Dr. Banda? Because that's a very good example that we had in Malawi when people called themselves Wamiaya and they're no longer there. And those who were still with Dr. Banda, and some of them that listen to, some of them they're very old, that they cannot even walk on their own. They cannot even sometimes eat on their own, because this world is not our home. No matter how long you think, you'll be there one day. An exit door would be, and you remember my words, but indeed you are not there permanently. Indeed, that is not a permanent life and a permanent position. No matter what plans and strategies you think you will employ during 2025 general elections, one day you'll be out of that chair. One day you'll be ex or former. No matter how long it takes, you'll be former. Even if you want to bury this story, you want to bury the evils that you're planning with the so-called chitukuko that you're planning that you're going to do, people forget whatever that you're going. Even if you build houses and castles in the air, even if some highways will be in the air for the first time on earth to see highways in the air. But people not talk about that. People talk about the people that you have killed, people that you are planning to kill, people that you are even thinking of killing. Ine panopo ndachitakari conclude that I'm already dead because of what you have planned. Because when you are saying I will kill this one, in the kingdom of God, you have already killed that one. So by coming up with that plan, I should be one of the people that has to be killed. One of the people that you are planning to kill. Already you have killed me. Already it's written in heaven that I have been murdered by whoever was planning and whoever uttered that word to say we have to kill him as well, and together with his son. So I'm ready. You have already killed me. So I receive it because you planned of killing me. You planned evils against me. So I'm ready for that. And the Ineo Lufuna still my phone. Even if I'm dead, my phone has to be handed over to the family. That phone must be given back to my family, whether I like it or not. I need that phone of mine because that's mine. You did not buy me that telephone. I bought it. I bought that telephone. So there's my actually sort of appeal to you that I indeed need that telephone. Inde muchita plani zambiri mapasa mafuta mafuti zifuti kwa nyamata mene mbuti. These are best killers. So most of them, the whole of last week, I came very close to them without them knowing me. And I've seen them, and I know who they are, and I know how they do it, who is behind it. But I'm not worried anyway, because those are instructions that are from above to do whatever that they're doing. So I'm not worried anyway, because no matter how long you think you'll be there, no matter how long the president even thinks he'll be on the throne, but one day he'll be out of that throne, no matter how long it takes. I'm not here to threaten anybody. I'm not here to do something harmful to anybody, but I receive that death threat. I receive the people that you have told to hack my phone. I receive whatever that bad omen that you're planning against me. And what you're planning is anyway to do when I'll be in Parliament. Parliament, I was elected by the people. I was not elected by those haters that hate me today because for nothing. Because to them, my presence only is a sin. My presence only is something that they have to get rid of. Let it be. Let it be. Let it be. I repeat. Let it be. Let it be. That is whatever that you are doing. Let it be. That is whatever that you intend to do to me. Let it be. That is whatever that you think that is appropriate. Let it be. Whatever you think that I don't deserve it, let it be. But ufuna telefoni yanga. Inspector General Police mudipasi telefoni yanga. Because that's not your phone. That is my phone. It is not your phone. That is my phone. Rigging or no rigging, that is my phone. Mapanga mkaya matawa zose maikamu zinuzanu mazochita rig elections, that is my phone. Gaya mwachita kuti percent region mwachita register antambiri chifaja kuti mfura muwine so mkarepa mpando mzidi ya bwino, but that is my phone. It has nothing to do with what National Registration Bureau what they've done by recruiting registering so many people Central Region. I have nothing to do with that, but I need my phone. Whether you register 60 million people per Central Region, do it. It has nothing to do with me, but what I need is my phone. Whether panopo mara electoral commission mukuma na kuti bwino paka muwine muzalimba police whatever kutazipanga kuze rigging with, do it. But what I need is my phone. I need my phone now. I need my phone because that is my phone. I've nothing to do with whatever that you're planning. I've nothing to do whatever that plans that you're putting in place. I've nothing to do whether you are rigging elections or not. But I need my phone. I need my phone for you to be there because you went to court complaining that the former government, the previous ruling party, rigged the elections. So you wanted to redress the, at least the problems that you faced, the incident, the rigging that you thought took place. And they came up with 50+1. And I know you are buying a lot of people that are there to actually sort of talk it of us, to do media, sort of committee, panga so many things. I don't care because I have nothing to do with it. What I need is my phone. Kaya mufuna kuti kaya mzatani next year, kaya mkuti mkudia bwino pakari pano, mkudia makeke, mkugona mikonono yanuyo. I don't care. What I need is my phone. Kamarawi electoral commission za kuinisaniso zimene mwapangazo mnamwachita kama gulira manyumba kan Dubai kaikuta. I don't care because it has nothing to do with me. What I need is my phone. What I need is my phone. The killing of me and my son, I don't care. But what I need is my phone. Whether kaya mupasa na ma contract in my MPs amena ufuna kutazika panga chipongo kwa ina, I don't care. Let them do it. But what I need is my phone. My phone. My phone. Stop listening. Stop hacking my phone. I have nothing to do with whatever plan that you have. Cindy Minasopa president, I am not vying for presidency. I am not competing. Amena mafuna nduja mna mupa uja. Whether you killed him or not, I don't care. Whether it is a lie, kuti at least I don't care. Whether kuti kamen dinuyo mnapa or I don't care. Whether it happened, I don't care. But what I need is my phone. I need my phone. Zakuti kapena mukupa antu ineyo ndilipo ipani anzanga napita. No, they were there. They needed that life. Anasiya mkazi wake, anasiya ndani. Inuso mzasiya, no matter how long it takes. Mzasiya, hey, what I need is my phone. I'm not here to threaten you. I need my phone. That is all. So mnandi manga, ndisana lako china chilichonse. Mnandi manga, ndisana nenepo china chilichonse cholako. Mnandi manga, sina zuzule muntu, sina tukwane muntu aliyense. Mnandi manga, mnandi zunza kwa mbili, pamene ninali wosa lako. Mnapita nane mose moyendamo, pamene sina roho lako. Mnandi kamselo, za sikizi, kaempemvu, pamene ninali wosa lako. Zose zupangani, zololedo kwa inu. Chifukwa inuyo, ndino everything. But what I need is my phone. My phone. I need my phone.
Onlamu Kamlepo Kalua maga kudandaula zimene apolisi akuachita akuti foni yawo mpaka pano sadawapasebe